ragazzi, hello everyone. So tonight I'm gonna start the home cooking as I promised last week in order to help people to learn how to cook. So I'm gonna be doing Barramundi, which is an Australian kind of fish, of vegetables with piccata sauce. So watch me as I start off with it. So first I'm gonna now I'm gonna get up my pan. I'm gonna get my pan hot. And I'm gonna just put a little bit of oil just to seal my fish, okay? Just a little bit, not too much. So while that is working, I'm just gonna put some salt. Okay? I'm gonna put some salt on the skin of my fish. Just a little bit, not too much, because the sauce we're gonna be making with it has quite some acidity on it. So I'm gonna wait for this to get ready. While it's getting ready, I'm just gonna go ahead and just get some hot water working. My fish while it's cooking. Just some few spices. So I'm going to cook this a few minutes and then I'm going to finish it up in the oven. So while my fish is working, I'm just going to go ahead and start blanching my vegetables. As you can see, the water is very hot. So in my next video I'm going to be doing next week, I'll show you guys how to prep the vegetables. But pretty much my whole vegetables are all prepped up. And you can see I also have other vegetables that I'm going to add, but I'm not going to put it on right now. If not, the mushroom and the capsicums are going to overcook. So first I'm going to cook the hard vegetables first, and later when they're almost ready, like a minute and a half, I'm going to add my other soft vegetables. So now my fish is all crispy up, so I'm gonna finish it up in the oven. So I put a foil, I put a baking paper on the container, and now I'm gonna bake it in the oven, and I'm gonna be baking it for like 2 minutes, and maximum 3 minutes, because it's a flat fish, flat side of the fish, so that by then it's gonna be juicy and it's gonna be very moist. And I'm just gonna save my timer for that, so in that way I don't forget it in the oven. So that while that's working, my vegetables is been like 2 minutes now plus, so they seem a little soft. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put in my mushroom, and I'm also gonna go ahead and put in my capsicums, and I'm just gonna let it cook, just same for like a minute or less than that, because this capsicum are fire roasted capsicum, so they're already pre-cooked. I just want to warm it up. And the mushroom are so delicate, so I don't want to cook it so much. I have to be gentle with it. So now it should be ready. So I'm just going to take it off the heat and strain. I'm going to strain my vegetables since they're ready. Yes. And I'm just going to let the water drain off a little bit. And while that's draining, I'm just going to put a little bit of butter together with it. So in that way, the heat from the vegetables are going to make my butter. So one way, I'm just gonna go ahead and season my veggie, just a pinch of salt. If you want, you can put some black pepper or chili, whatever you prefer. But I just want to keep it clean and simple. So I'm just gonna put salt and mix it nicely, and then I wait for my fish. So now I think our fish is ready. The timer just went up. So I'm just gonna take it out. Okay. So now I'm gonna plate up my vegetables. Since everything is ready. now we're gonna put in our fish gently so it doesn't break. Yes. So this sauce over here is my piccata sauce. In my next video, I will show you guys how to make it from the scratch. It's very simple to make. It takes less than 5 minutes to make, and all you need is just a layer of that on top of your fish and your veggies, the piccata sauce. Voila, just like that. And now you can even add some capers. You can be generous about it. Add it if you want to, if you have it. It's good. It really balances up when you have a fish. And then I'm gonna add some parsley, some garnish on top of it. So I'll do that right there. And this here is also a tapenade. So in my next video, I'm gonna show you guys how to create this tapenade. Okay, I'll show you guys how to do that in the next 2 videos. And I'm gonna put this beautiful smoky tapenade. I'm gonna put it on top of my fish, and I'm gonna finish my fish with some lemon. And here your lunch is served. Okay. You can see, and all this costs you almost nothing to make, and it's healthy and delicious. Enjoy.